In this video, I will show how to make an image transparent in Microsoft Word document. So firstly we need an image. So insert the image, click here. So we have this image. To make transparent, double click on it, and once you double click, this picture format will be appear. Now here the option transparency. Select it and select your required transparency. Now to write anything on this picture, right click on it and in the wrap text select behind text. So we can see that picture is appear here. So this is the way you can create a picture background in Microsoft Word. You can add your icon, anything. So simple setting, insert and picture. You can select any online or offline picture. Double click on it and in the transparency, and once you click picture transparency option, so here you can add the as a percent. So thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.